So the first things you need are a bowl, a nail file, which it does come with the press-on nails if you don't have one, nail clippers, as well as the press-on nails. Now first, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take them off. I had these ones called So Stellar on for about a little over a week, so I'm going to show you how to take them off first. So to take them off, you're going to get a bowl filled with warm water and soak them in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. This really allows your cuticle and the adhesive underneath the nail to really soften and peel off really easily like you see here. So I'm just going to be taking them off one by one. That right there is the nails off. I forgot to show you guys, but you will be needing a buffer. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and use your nail file. I'm just buffing off any extra adhesive that got stuck on the nail. Back into that warm water just to wash off my nails, and this is them right here. This time you can go ahead and cut them if you feel like you need to, and of course file your nails at this moment. Okay, now going in with the nails. The ones that I have are for Impress. These are the press-on gel manicures, and these ones are the Ultra Fit design. I highly recommend these ones. They're amazing, so definitely get the Ultra Fit because they look very natural. So as you guys see, they come with a prep pad, which is a nail file, an alcohol pad, and as you see here, a cuticle pusher. You really want to make sure you do this because this step really makes it so the nails look natural and really go in far to your cuticle. Now you're going to be taking the alcohol pad and really making sure that you get any extra debris off, any stickiness, any powder left over from filing, so your nails are nice and ready for the press-ons. So I went ahead and laid my nails out and really make sure each nail fits to my nail perfectly. I personally like a more smaller fit because I like them to look a little bit more natural. I'll leave down below the number sizing that I used. The number is on the tip of the nail if you are curious. So as you guys see here, I'm just taking off that seal to release the adhesive, and I'm really pressing this for about 5 seconds onto my nail bed so it really lasts long. And as you guys see, I'm pushing it into my cuticle to make it look as natural as possible. You want the round part to be on your cuticle and the straight part to be on the front of your nail. And that is it. I love how they look. They last a little over a week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you use them down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.